A 1922 peace dollar being worth $250,000, you say? This is very much a true story. Peace dollars from 1921 carried a high relief look to which the chief engraver at the U.S. Mint tried to carry over into 1922. But too many issues arose when striking both the 1921 and 22 coins. The high relief nature and the amount of pressure in the dies led to a lot of failures and breaking, causing the U.S. Mint to lose time and money. That's why you see 1922 peace dollars having a low relief and not as bold and detailed attributes. But that's not until 3,200 examples were made in high relief, which include matte finish, satin proof, and regular issued coins. According to NGC Grading Company, the 3,200 exampled high relief peace dollars were released among the over 51 million 1922s out there in circulation. Only 5 examples have been found and identified. The hunt is on for the remaining still out there, worth over $250,000. Good luck and good hunting.